On in this course we are going to learn JavaScript in a very simpler way, so let's dive in. So this is JavaScript variables. JavaScript variables are very important for learning JavaScript. We are going to define variables all the way long, and there is four ways for them to declare the JavaScript variables. So using var, let, constant, or using nothing. So let's see with an example. So this is the example for var x. X is my variable here and 5 is my value. So we just used a simple arithmetic equation, equal sign, and also arithmetic operator and plus sign in here. So let's move into another example with a get element by id. This is a widely used method to extract the id field from the HTML template we are going to use. So this is our template. So this is a basic HTML template, you all know that. And the script tag, within script tag we always use the JavaScript, and also jQuery. Another thing is jQuery is just ovulated from JavaScript. So within this header tag, we don't have a head tag here. We use JavaScript sometimes. We just link them. I will create another video for that, but within this one I'm just giving a just pretty basic example in here. So this one, the body, within body we are using this script tag, and within this script we are gonna first we have defined our variables. These three are our variables, and after that document get element by id with the demo is in our HTML. It should be the value of z is, this is a string. Those are data types. We are going to learn about data types in the later episodes. So this is a string, and within this we just added a plus sign. As I said, we JavaScript uses the arithmetic operators, and this is the value for the z. So let's see, we can we can make this one. So try it yourself. This one we can learn a lot from here. You can make changes in here to see how it's working. So this is our the value of this is a string, and this is adding the variable is adding with this string is added by this plus sign. So now for say we have the value is 5 and we have value is 6. So when we are gonna change these values, this value is gonna change, because it's a simple arithmetic for for it, like 5 plus 6 is 11 just. So if we change the variable here, let's run it. Look, this is 15. So this is how we can define our variables, and this is how we can add the JavaScript in here. Thanks for variables. So how we can use what names we can use for variables. So it can contain letters, digit, underscore, or dollar sign. And name must begin with a letter. You can begin with dollar sign and underscore, because it will be those are defined as letters in JavaScript. So now names are case sensitive, so a lowercase y and a uppercase y is different, two different variables. Reserved word, like so many reserved word or method names is in the JavaScript keywords. You cannot use them as variables. So for example, var car name is our variable here. So let y, this is a variable. We defined uppercase y and we defined lowercase y, but these are two different variables. So let's move on to the next one. So we have like three or four we have four types of variables. So when to use the var, when to use the let, and when to use the constant. So var has been introduced in JavaScript at early, just like 1995 to 2015 we used var, and on after 2015 the let and constants are added to here. So if you want to run the code in the older browsers, especially Internet Explorer, so you should use var, so it can run smoothly. It might not know the let or const variables or keywords for JavaScript. So the general rule is always declare variable with const, and if you think the variable can change, use let. So when we are going to learn node backend, you're going to see this example very much, and it's like it's widely accepted. So this is a constant price one. Another one, and this one is a very important for the like backend. When we're gonna like a console log or our code, or we will compile our code, there will be lots of like this, the value is undefined, they are not gonna find the value and everything. So this is normally, if we don't have a value, or this value have to be like executed or calculated, sometimes it's come like this is value undefined. So yeah, this just for now we just need to learn those terms, and then when you are gonna go for the examples and everything, we will see how it's gonna work in actual word, actual compiling of the word. So yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and you can check out these resources. This W3 School is a free resource and is very good one. You can type, or you can check your skill, or and do the exercises in there. And there is another one, this is a very modern on Code Academy, have a look on that. So that's it for today, see you on next episode.